Imagine wading through a murky river in the Amazon rainforest when suddenly, a long, slender fish with smooth, dark skin glides past. It looks like just another fish, until you get too close and feel a jolt. This is the electric eel, one of nature's most shocking creatures, capable of generating powerful electric currents. Despite its name, the electric eel isn't a true eel, but rather a knife fish, uniquely adapted to its river habitat. Today, we're diving into the world of the electric eel to discover how it produces electricity, how it uses this power to survive, and what makes it such a fascinating creature. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an electric eel? These amazing animals can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh around 44 pounds, making them among the largest species in their habitat. They're found primarily in slow-moving rivers, swamps, and floodplains in South America, especially in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins. With its sleek, elongated body and smooth skin, the electric eel may not look particularly intimidating, but it's packing a serious punch. The electric eel's electrical abilities come from specialized cells called electrocytes. These cells are organized in 3 electric organs along most of the eel's body, and they work much like a battery. By pumping ions across membranes, the electric eel can create an electric charge, which is then released as a powerful shock. In fact, an adult electric eel can generate up to 600 volts of electricity, more than 5 times the voltage of a standard wall socket. It's one of the highest electrical outputs of any known animal, and it's strong enough to stun or even kill small animals. But why does the electric eel need such powerful electricity? Well, it uses this electricity for a few key purposes. Hunting is one of the primary uses. Electric eels are carnivorous and rely on fish, amphibians, and sometimes small birds or mammals as their prey. When hunting, the eel sends out a series of electric pulses to detect and stun its prey, making it easier to capture. This electrical shock immobilizes the prey, allowing the eel to quickly move in and consume it without a struggle. Another fascinating use of electricity is communication and navigation. Electric eels live in murky waters with low visibility, making it hard to rely on sight alone. Instead, they send out low-voltage pulses as a form of electrolocation, which helps them map their surroundings. It's like having a built-in sonar system. They also use low-voltage signals to communicate with each other, especially during the breeding season. These pulses help eels find mates and establish territory, proving that electricity is essential for their social lives. One of the most interesting behaviors of electric eels is the double shock technique. When the electric eel detects a threat, it can perform a sequence of high-voltage shocks to either ward off predators or defend itself. And if the eel is particularly threatened, it can actually launch itself out of the water to deliver a more powerful shock to anything it touches. This behavior is thought to help it protect itself from larger animals that might attack from above, such as caimans or certain types of birds. You might be wondering, how does the electric eel avoid shocking itself? The answer lies in its unique physiology. Electric eels have thick skin that acts as an insulator, protecting them from their own electric shocks. Additionally, the electric organs are located toward the back of their body, away from their vital organs, which helps reduce the risk of self-injury when generating electricity. Although they're fascinating and powerful creatures, electric eels face their own challenges in the wild. Their river habitats are often impacted by deforestation, pollution, and climate change, all of which threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystems they depend on. Additionally, changes in water levels due to human activity can affect their hunting and breeding behaviors, which are closely tied to seasonal flooding patterns in the Amazon basin. In recent years, scientists have been studying electric eels to learn more about bioelectricity. Researchers are fascinated by the electric eel's ability to generate power without the use of external fuel sources, and this has inspired innovations in battery technology and bioengineering. The electric eel's biology could hold the key to developing sustainable energy sources for medical devices and other technologies. Despite their shocking abilities, electric eels are generally not aggressive toward humans. However, they can be dangerous if they feel threatened, as their electric shock is strong enough to cause muscle spasms, heart arrhythmias, or even temporary paralysis. While deaths from electric eels are extremely rare, it's wise to keep a respectful distance if you ever find yourself near one in the wild. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Electric eels are not true eels but knife fish, uniquely adapted to life in murky rivers with their incredible ability to generate electricity. From hunting and self-defense to communication and navigation, electricity is essential to the electric eel's way of life. But with their habitats under threat, it's crucial to protect the river ecosystems that allow these remarkable creatures to thrive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this electrifying look into the world of the electric eel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. And let me know in the comments, if you could generate electricity like the electric eel, how would you use it?